They're great people, very great customers we deal with. We deal with a lot of other companies that are big, and we help them out to make their jobs easier. We adapt to every accommodation that they want. Working at A+ has been a huge learning experience for me. Before coming in here, I only knew how to do like oil changes and stuff like that. Now, I've learned a lot with them. I've grown up a lot with them, and they're very, very respectful, and it's a place where you want to work at. I love being here. They are really there for you when you get into problems yourself with cars and stuff like that. They'll help you out. They tell you what route to go. Like, they are been on point. Like, since I started working here, they've been like nothing but great with me.